So over here, you can see that I have a frame right here. If I want to add in another frame, then you can go around over here onto the frame option. And from the different choices right here, you can go around and click the frame that you want. And the frame will be added right here, as you can see. Of course, you can also click the frame and move around the frame wherever you want. But if you want to change around the view itself, then you can hold spacebar and you can move around the frame right here. Right now, you are not changing the location of the frame when you're holding space and moving this out with hand. Rather, what is happening is that you're just changing the viewpoint of how the frame is seen. You can use the scroll mouse button to scroll the frame up and down over here as well, as you can see. So now I'm going to go around and click the frame. And if you want to go around and then duplicate out the frame, you can go around, right click on the layer of the frame right here. So you can see that this is the Android frame. So it's the Android layer. That's the Google Pixel frame right here. You want to copy and paste it out, then you can copy this right here, right click and copy. And you can go around and simply paste this out. You can right click right here, you can paste to replace, or over here you can press Ctrl V on your keyboard, then it is pasted out over here, as you can see. You can also right click over here and click on paste here, and there you go, there's another frame right here. You can click and drag this around over here just like this. You can right click, paste this over here as well. So here are different frames, as you can see, and these are the frame layers. You can double click on the layers right here and rename this. So I'm going to say Tube 1 right here, and I'm going to go around, type in Tube 2 right here, just like this. So just go around and type in the name right here, Tube 3 right here. This is going to be Tube 4 right here, and this is going to be Tube 5. So once I do that, everything has been renamed, and over here on the top, you can see that the names are here. So you can go around, hold space to move this around. And on the top, you can see the title of the frames right here as well. So that is how you can copy out frames as well. And these are the layers, so you can go around, rearrange the layers according to how you like it as well. So you can see that these are the frame right here, and right now the frame is under frame 5 right here. You can drag this around right here, bring it out right here just like this, and simply go around. You can rearrange the frame right here however you like it. You can select out the frame right here, and so forth. So let me just go around, bring this out right here, bring this in just like this, or drag this out to bring this out. You want to make frames a group, then you can go around, push this frame inside the frame over here as well, and they become a part of the group right here, just like this. So let me just click and drag this out right here, just like this, to bring this out right here, just like that. So now what you can also do is bring in different objects right here, and if you draw this out over here on Tube 5, you can see that this layer becomes a part of Tube 5. But if I were to drag this in right here onto other frame right here, now it becomes part of the other frame. So depending on which frame you draw the contents in right here, so if you were to draw it here, if you were to draw it here, you can see that what happens is that every content that you draw becomes a part of the frame right here. And if you were to move that out right here, so if I were to select this, drag it out in another frame, then the layer becomes a part of that frame, and you can see that the groups are automatically made. And that is how you can rename out the frame layers. You can copy out the frames and then paste out the frames and then work around with the layers for the frames right here inside of Figma. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.